Voluntary recall alert. The US-based unit of a global consumer health conglomerate, Haleon, has issued a recall for its Robitussin honey cough syrup sold nationwide. This action comes in response to a potential microbial contamination that could lead to serious infections, especially in individuals with impaired immune systems. While the majority of users are not expected to experience severe health complications, the company isn't discounting the possibility of medical intervention required due to an infection. Robitussin is widely used for relief from cold, flu, hay fever, and other respiratory allergies. If you've purchased the product under recall, it's advised to refrain from using it. For more information, you can reach out to Haleon. Stay safe and stay informed.